Hi. Today is 13th of October 2018. Here is the daily horoscope on the go. Aries. Today you could meet some interesting new people, Aries. Among them is at least one person who shares a lot of your interests and could become a close friend. The joy you receive from meeting these people is likely to spill over into the rest of your day. Taurus. A book or movie about a foreign country could capture your imagination and make that country seem especially appealing, Taurus. You might toy with the idea of taking a trip there soon. If you're serious, it might be a good idea to start making your plans. Gemini. Someone close who owes you money might suddenly turn up and repay you, Gemini. This might be a surprise, but you will be glad to get it. You may want to blow some of it by taking a friend out to lunch or buying someone a gift. Some beautiful dreams could haunt your sleep tonight. Cancer. Today you should feel especially warm and loving toward everyone close to you, Cancer, particularly a love partner. You may want to spend some time with friends or family or schedule a romantic evening with your significant other, or both. If you have paperwork to take care of, this is the day to do it. Leo. You should be looking especially attractive today and glowing with robust health, Leo. You're apt to feel warm and loving, particularly towards small animals. If you've considered adopting a pet, this is a good day to do it. Virgo. Today you should be feeling especially warm and loving toward close friends and children, Virgo. You could also especially appreciate the arts. You might attend a play or concert or decide to try your hand at one of the fine arts yourself. Libra. Today you might decide to buy a plant for every room in your house or plant a garden, Libra. If the weather is good, you might visit a nursery or botanical garden. You may not normally be attracted to plants and gardens, but today both beauty and nature seem especially appealing. Scorpio. A warm and loving communication could come to you today from someone close. This could be an email, call, or even a gift of some kind. This could make your day, Scorpio, and you will probably pass whatever good feelings you draw from it to other friends and family members. Sagittarius. A very welcome sum of extra money could come your way today, Sagittarius, possibly out of the blue. You might want to put this money to work for you in some way, perhaps investing it or purchasing supplies or materials for personal projects. Capricorn. Today you may feel especially warm and loving toward just about everybody in your circle, Capricorn, even those you usually find irritating. You could also be looking especially attractive and feeling more confident than usual. You might even feel like shopping for new clothes. Aquarius. Someone you care about but haven't seen for a long time could suddenly contact you. You'd usually love this, Aquarius, but today you could be too caught up in projects of your own to want to put them aside. Pisces. A goal that you've been working on could finally be reached, Pisces. A group of friends you might not have seen for a long time could schedule a get-together that you will be all too glad to attend. Expect to have a lot of fun exchanging news and ideas with these people.